Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking the 2002 Gmc Sierra straight and level, about 10 to 15 ft from a flat wall. This gives accurate beam reference. Next, verify tire pressure and usual load so ride height matches real driving conditions, because suspension sag changes aim. Now measure the headlamp center height to the ground and transfer that measurement to the wall with a horizontal tape line. This is your vertical reference. Once done, cover or tape over the high beams to avoid confusion during adjustment. You open the hood and locate the headlamp adjustment screws on the 2002 Sierra, usually a vertical and a horizontal screw near each lamp, sometimes under a small cap. Use a Phillips or 5/16 socket to turn them. Turning one changes aim up/down and the other left/right. With low beams on, observe the cutoff and brightest point relative to the wall marks. Slowly turn vertical adjuster until the top of the hot spot sits at or just below the wall center line. Then fine-tune horizontal so beams align with vehicle center. You finish by ensuring all fasteners and the headlamp bezel are snug. Then test drive at night to confirm proper roadway illumination without blinding oncoming drivers. If left/right beams still misalign, check that bulbs are fully seated and the housing isn't cracked or warped, because mechanical damage gives inconsistent aim. When adjustment screws slip or won't move, the adjuster may be stripped. In that case, replace the adjuster or the assembly. If visibility issues persist, clean cloudy lenses or replace bulbs to restore correct beam pattern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.